Hey guys, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today I'm going to be showing you a little tutorial about how to put together these pocket-sized journals that I'm rolling out. And this is the botanical one, and I'm hoping to make a few other designs as time goes by. But these are pretty quick and easy to put together, so today I'm going to be showing you that. And then I'm also going to be doing a little bit of embellishing. And I'm going to talk just a little bit before I start about these. I saw a tutorial from Emmephemera's Treasures, I'll put a link to that below, about using these kind of clear mylar plastic pieces and using them to preserve dried flowers. So I went ahead and made some of those on some coffee stained paper. And I'm going to go ahead and use those in this that kind of go along with the botanical theme. So here we go. So first of all, you need to cut out your cover, and these are pretty easy to do. They just fold right here along this line like this, and I already pre-folded this one, so it would be a little easier to do. And then you want to fold it to either side of the spine. So you fold it there, and that'll give you your book shape. And then you go ahead and glue it together, and this will become your little pocket journal cover. So we'll let the cover dry and we'll work on putting together the pages. So I've cut the pages into strips like this. And what you're going to do is go ahead and fold it this direction first, fold it in the middle. And it's good to line it up so that it won't make trouble for you later. And then crease it there, and then go ahead and just fold these backwards, and we're going to create an accordion fold here, or a fan fold, or whatever you want to call it. There we go. And so your pages should look like that, and then we're going to repeat that process for all of the strips that you want to use in your journal. And you'll find out that the reason that they have to be folded a certain direction is because we're going to attach them together when we're done here. So this middle piece should fold up, and then these other pieces should fold this way. And then we're going to take these first and last pieces and glue them together, and these will become our pages once they're all glued together. And then this is where we'll glue these together. This can be a little bit tricky, trying to get them lined up. Not too bad. Okay, so now that we've got these pieces, I'm going to go ahead and take this first page and this last page, and I'm going to trim them with my corner rounding punch. And that'll just make kind of a neater edge for, you know, decorating. It won't look quite so unfinished. But you don't have to do this if you don't want to. Oops, missed that one. There we go. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to glue this first page inside here like this. And what you want to do is try to line up your book inside the spine. So the edge of this lines up with the spine of the book. And and then glue this in. There we go. And we're going to do the same thing with this last page and glue it in, and that'll hold our pages in. Okay, so that is how we attach our pages, and it will have a little give here because this is going to have some space between the pages and spine, and that's okay. That's what's going to allow it to kind of open up and move. If you look at books, they're often bound that way, where they have a little bit of give between the spine and the pages. Okay, so that is just the basics of getting your book put together, and now we're going to talk a little bit about decorating it. So this kit, the Botanical Pocket-Sized Journal Kit, comes with all these little ephemera pieces for decorating, and so you can have a lot of fun just playing with it and making it like an actual junk journal, you know, like a real sized one. Only this one's pocket-sized, which is kind of fun and cute. You can carry it in your purse or whatever and take it with you. And the fun thing about the botanical one is you can use it to gather specimens. And I picked these flowers last summer and I dried them between some heavy book pages. And then I was like, what should I do with these? And I saw Emmephemera's Treasures do a cute little tutorial like I mentioned, and I was like, ooh, I want to do that. So it's a good use for just some preserved flowers, and so if you like to preserve flowers, this is a fun way that you can use them in your journal. So this little botanical journal comes with some, sorry, it's still kind of drying, it might come apart on me here, blank pages that you can print for it too. So I went ahead and did that, and I'm going to go ahead and just take these and stick them in here. And I think they'll stick out a little ways, and that's okay. I don't mind my junk journal having some pieces that stick out a little. But I thought this would be just a fun, cute little way to show off my preserved flowers. A cute little addition to my botanical journal. And then you can also just use these little embellishments that kind of come with it, and you can create little pockets or just glue them in if you want to, and just start decorating your journal however you like. I won't go through and do the whole thing, but I'll just add a couple here to the front page. And you can decorate it just like you would a life-size, a big-size journal. So there we go. I'm going to add, I think, a couple little words to the front here. So I thought these were kind of cute. There we go. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you like this kit, you can find it in my Etsy shop. I'll put a link down below. Thanks, guys.